Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to get a loan on Revolut. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you want to create or if you want to get a loan through Revolut, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, the thing with Revolut, depending on where you are, loans may or may not be available. Now, in some countries, loan is not yet available. So if it is available, you should be able to see it in a specific section. So, in this case, you want to go open up the Revolut app here, log in into your account, and you want to go and click or press on the account section that you see at the center of your screen. So once you press or click on it, it should show all the accounts you currently have, and also if loan is currently available for your account. So if you do see personal loan in here, go ahead and click on Discover, and it should redirect you to the loans in the Revolut app. So the thing with this one is you still need to apply for that loan. So there are some requirements, like for example, you need to be a citizen, you need to be at least of legal age, around 18 years old, and also you need to have a mobile number or other details that you may need to provide. Now, approval is subject to them. If they would approve you, just make sure to provide all the necessary details here, and basically to start the application, just click on apply now. Provide all the information that they need for you, like your date of birth, any IDs, or any documentations that they may need. Now, it actually depends on where you are. Now, you could go and go to their help page and see what are the requirements for your loan. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.